Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the heater on your Honeywell Home thermostat. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that it's getting kind of cold in your home. How do you actually go ahead and turn on your heater? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you want to do is that you want to find where it says mode and click on mode. And you want to keep on pressing mode until it says heat. Now with that being set to heat, in order to read your thermostat, the center number is the temperature of your home, and the number on top is how much heat or the temperature that you want to aim towards. So if I'm reading this right now, basically it's 80 degrees in my home, and then I want it to be 62 degrees, but it doesn't necessarily make sense for this example just because I have the heater on. But if I wanted to change it to cold, now my home is at 80 degrees and I want it to be 76 degrees. Therefore, my air conditioner is going to turn on until the temperature of my home hits 76 degrees. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on the heater in your Honeywell Home thermostat. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.